Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to create a desktop shortcut for settings on your Windows 11 computer guys. Let's jump straight into it. Right click on the blank area in desktop guys. Select new and select shortcut, and you just want to type the location of the item. You just want to browse it or anything like that. And I'm gonna type ms minus symbol settings double dot icon, and click next guys, and name this shortcut as settings. You can create whatever shortcuts like this guys. This is for example, I'm doing settings. Click finish, and there we go guys. Settings shortcut has been created in desktop. You can easily access to it, and this way you can create anything guys. By using this method you can create anything by browsing that option. And that's it for today's video guys. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.